Oh, welcome to my channel. My name is Samantha, and I thought why not share with you the box I ordered online. So I saw this box on Influencer and I thought why not share it with you. It's huge. I just wanted to point that out. And here it is. It's humongous. This box cost me around, I think it was 50 bucks, but I got it for like 35 through Ebates from the cashback I get. It's humongous. It's worth over $300, and yeah, I'm not sure if it's still available. If it is, I'll just put a website. It's not affiliated, it's just a direct link, and you guys can go check it out. So I'm gonna open it, and excuse that smiley face, my daughter did that this morning and I haven't had time to take it off. Yeah, but let's open this. It's really heavy, and it looks like this. And I'm just gonna start pulling out stuff. Okay, got the tissues, and the first thing I see is this. It's the Cola Sport sunscreen. Not sure if this is full size. Let me see if there's a paper in here. Okay, so this is the paper. It came in here, and then the Cola thing is worth $32, and I think it's full size, so yeah. Then the next thing I have in my box is this Tresemme hairspray. It's full size. It is 11 ounces. Yay! And then the next thing I have is this travel size Oribe. Where are you? Dry texture spray. I haven't used this one yet, so. Here. Nice. Then the next thing I'm gonna pull out is this, which I've tried this before and I really like it. It's the Love Beauty and Planet Coconut Water Mimosa. It's my favorite scent too, so that's great. The showerless cleansing mist, and this smells so good. So I'm gonna spray it. It just smells so fresh and clean. And then the next thing is this Batiste full-size dry shampoo. I don't really use this one because it leaves like a really like a white cast. Watch, I'll show you. Do you see that? I don't like that. It makes me look like a granny. So, but I'll still use it. I'm not gonna let it go to waste. I just have to brush it out really good. And then there are these little foil packets. And then one of them is a Color Vibrancy 1 minute hair mask, which I love hair masks. I haven't tried this one though, so I'm excited to use that one. And then the next one here is, I'm trying to pull it out. It's a apple vinegar scalp scrub. That's pretty cool. I guess it takes off all like the buildup and all like yucky stuff on your scalp. And then the next thing, oh, that's pretty cool. It's the mask. It's a clay mask. I love masks. Masks are like my favorite thing in the world, so yay! The next thing I'm gonna get is this Amika dry shampoo. I love this shampoo so much. It smells so good. And this is a travel size. Next thing I'm gonna get is this NYX matte finish setting spray, which I love this one. This one is a full size as well, so yay. Next thing I'm gonna get is this Beach Babe texturing salt spray. I'll probably use this on my daughter because she has like really cute wavy blonde hair, so I'm gonna use this on her to make her like texture more pronounced. Then we have this little Purity cleanser, which I love. I love getting cleansers. I love trying out cleansers. I bet that one's really, really good. Let's go with these. I got a Kat Von D Everlasting Lipstick in Lolita. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna open this up really quick. I have like no makeup on today, so I feel kind of like naked. Sorry. Sorry for my ugliness. Oh, that's like so my color. I have like my camera got shut off, so yeah. So this is like totally my lipstick, and this is full size. It retails for 20 bucks. So yeah. This is the unique Moonstruck Epic Mascara. Yeah, so I'm excited to try that. Let me open it real quick. Yeah, so it just has like a basic one, nothing special. And then the next thing I have is this Origins Ginseng Eye Cream. So yeah. And then I think that one is, let's see, it's $32, so that's crazy. I got a Laura Mercier like small little setting powder. Oh, look, my god. It comes like with the littlest little powder puff, and then here's the powder. That's pretty cool. Like, so far, I think this box is worth it. Like, 50 bucks? Yeah. And then in this pouch, there's a CoverGirl chocolate scented eyeshadow palette. And it smells so good. It smells just like chocolate. And, like, the colors are soft. And let me see if I can swatch this. I don't want to get out my sweater. I'm not like the best swatcher, but it came out like crap. So I'll put this right here. And then we have a ColourPop eyeshadow. This is Lightning Bug. Lightning Bug. It's like really cute. That's full size. And then we got a Becca highlighter. Oh, it's gonna be so cute. It's gonna be so tiny. Oh my god, it's so tiny. Mine's kind of like cracked, but hey, this one is in Vanilla Quartz. And then we got a Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petals, and I love these highlighters. Like, they're so good. Like, so good. Like, really good. Look at, that's the Wet n Wild one. Yay. And then we got a Real Techniques beauty sponge. I love these. They're so good. And then this is like the last thing in there. I'm just gonna go quickly because I think my memory's gonna get full. This is the Pond's moisturizing cream. This for dry skin. I like that one. It just kind of feels kind of greasy, which is like that. And then we have, I love Sugar Scrub so much. This one is in Coconut Lime, and it's like a small one. Then we got the EOS shaving cream, a small one too. I love this one as well. And then we got another small one of the eye cream. And then we got the Jergens Natural Glow in the small one. And the Good Genes Sunday Riley. Yeah, so I think that's it in my box. The only thing left is this like paper about the unique, which I'm gonna read it later. But yeah, so for all this, I think it's an amazing price, 50 bucks. If you guys want to buy it, just go on influencer.com and you could get it. If it's still available, I'll put the website down below. And then if you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you. And I blinked out for like a second. Thank you, and I'll be posting more unboxings. I hope you like it. Thank you. Bye.